So right now I'm gonna do the baking soda and vinegar challenge. So yeah.
Show them the baking soda.
Now I'm using a big spoon, so I'm not gonna fill it up all
And
the way.
baking soda since you please. Okay, look at probably good enough. So not choke.
Okay.
If you die, I'll love you.
So that's how much I got.
And
How
it's
much
baking
vinegar?
soda. It's real baking soda.
It is baking soda.
If you can see that, show them. That's fine.
The baking soda and vinegar challenge.
Don't. You put the baking soda in your mouth and you drink. And if you want to, you can only hold it in your mouth, or you can swallow it. At least your dad's not watching anymore. I'll get your juice packs already. Already for you to dough. It's just, picture it as gargling salt water.
Yeah, but this is like
Mm-hmm.
freaking too sour. Like salty, really salty.
Mm-hmm. Baking soda.
I can't do this.
Just picture it. It probably won't hurt as much as the cinnamon sound. You have to do it with the, get all refreshed first. Now, get your vinegar. Oh, she has a lot of vinegar.
I'm thinking all of it now.
Let's go. It can't hurt as much as the baking soda challenge.
The baking soda? That's what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah. I mean the cinnamon challenge. No, you have to put it all in your mouth at once. It's actually doing. His doesn't. That's funny. It's funny. You're just there. All of a sudden, you just put it in your mouth and you're just like, drinks away. All this frothy stuff goes in here. Trust me, guys. She's gonna try it again.
It feels weird. That's the best. That's the worst thing. It's not as bad as I made it sound like. It's just, it's really like, when you feel the fizzing in your mouth, it's like, oh my god, what am I doing? But I don't have any vinegar left.
Okay, well, what if you do like something else? Oh, the mush. Oh, Tim's gotta use that challenge. That's so funny. What about if you try? If you hold the laptop, now you'll get some more. Or you don't get much more.
No.
No. Anyway, we're going back
What
inside.
is that?
And we're going to go back inside and see what happens at the end of this video. I'm just gonna give you a little detour around Sperna's house. I'm giving them a detour of your back. Well, as you can tell, that didn't. What? Well, we have to go. So, we'll see you after. Bye.